Hello friends, welcome to my channel Java for Beginners from Go for eLearning. In this video, we will discuss about the different types of arrays and how we can declare and use these arrays in Java. We have three types of arrays. Java supports three types. First one is single dimensional array. Second one is multi-dimensional array, which contains two-dimensional or three-dimensional. And third one is jagged array. We already discussed single dimensional array in my previous video. We know single dimensional is nothing but a collection of elements in a single row or in a single column. For example, the marks obtained by a one student in three different subjects that can be represented by a single dimensional array, because these marks can be written as a single row or as a single column. And these are the some more ways to create single dimensional array. So please check my previous video for more detail about single dimensional array. Next, I am going to discuss about multidimensional. In multidimensional array, a collection of elements in multiple rows and in multiple columns. In multidimensional array, first let's try to understand the two-dimensional array now. For example, the marks obtained by two students in three different subjects that can be represented by two-dimensional array. Please remember, in one-dimensional array, I gave example, the marks obtained by the one student in three different subjects. So that was the one-dimensional array. Now I am talking about two students in three different subjects. Means here it becomes a two-dimensional array. Here we have specified the array size of 2 and next level is gone to be array size is 3. So with the two-dimensional or three-dimensional or multi-dimensional arrays, please remember that this is the parent array. This is said to be parent array, which will have the reference to the child array. Now in two-dimensional, the size of this parent array is 2. That means I have two indexes, where this one will hold the memory address to reach out this array, which is of size 3. So it has two indexes which can refer to two different arrays now, because I have already mentioned 3 here. That means each index of this array is going to refer to an array of size 3 each. So here I have two arrays with the size 3. So this is a two-dimensional array, and always remember that the end value will be stored in the final arrays. That means these arrays are the one which store the final values. Understand? So you have to fill the values. You need to use both the indexes of the arrays. That means you have to navigate from the parent to child. That means you need to say that marks of 0 means it's 50 here. Marks of 0 of 1 is 70. Then marks of 0 of 2 means it's 80. Then marks of 1 of 0 is gone to be 60. Then marks of 1 means is gone to be 90. Marks of 1 of 2 is to be 75. That's way you should navigate to fill the value into two-dimensional arrays. You need to start from the parent and start flowing down to the child indexes. So this is all about two-dimensional array. Then we'll come to three-dimensional array. Anything which is combination of several two-dimensional array is said to be three-dimensional. This concept is useful when we want to handle group of elements belonging to another group. For example, a college has three departments: electronics, computers, and mechanics. We want to represent the marks obtained by two students of each three departments in two different subjects. Means here are three things: students, departments, and subjects. So here we have two students and two different subjects in each three departments. As I have already told that these are the parents, and the final one is this one, which actually holds the value. So I have, in the first level, I have an array which has length of 2, which can hold two arrays with each of size 3. So I have each array of length 3, and finally each of these arrays with a length 3 can hold an array of length 2. Understood? You got it? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 number of elements that are formed during the execution of this statement. Means that is three-dimensional array. After multidimensional array, then we are coming to the jagged array. Earlier, we have already declared the parent and child array size directly during the construction phase. But in jagged array, we are doing something like this. So please remember that to use different size of an array at child level, you need to leave this as a blank. And you need to mention that marks of 0 will have an array of size 3, whereas marks of 1 will have the array size of 4. So this is how you can go ahead to declare different arrays with different links for a child level. But you need to remember that you need to leave this declaring the size of the child element as blank, but declaring the size of the parent, at least one parent is mandatory. So we have to declare the size of the parent, which is mandatory. So this is all about jagged array. I hope you understand the basic declaration and how to use multidimensional arrays, and also we understand the jagged arrays in Java, and hope you like this video. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.